It is chilly out. What's going on, guys? Ryder Ty here. It is chilly as hell. I am getting better gear so I can, like, you know, kind of go into the fall colder season. Try to extend my riding season as much as I possibly can because I really enjoy making videos. So I got a new jacket, Dainese Tempest D, maybe, something like that. It has a removable liner. I got the liner in now and I feel freaking fantastic. Not a breeze going through it. I'm nice and warm. I only got a t-shirt on underneath this, and I believe it's like, I don't know, what is that? It is, I think it's only like 5 degrees, maybe 6 degrees. That's Celsius. It is pretty damn chilly. I also got new gloves. They are Revit something. I really suck at like remembering stuff, so I'll just I'll put it, I'll have it on the screen anyway. Revit Cayenne, that's what they are. Cayenne 2, I believe. Anyway, they're really nice gloves. They're not really for solely for the cold weather. They are perforated, as you can see. It is so windy out. Oh my god, I hope my audio's alright. Sorry guys if you get a lot of wind. They're comfortable, but like I said, they I can't compare them to much other than my old ones, the Icon, which are like more of a mesh kind of style glove. Like they have a lot of mesh inserts. They're like a summertime glove, which are fantastic. They're amazing glove. I can't remember what they're called. Icon something. I'll put that on the screen too. God, I got a lot of searching on the go. They are an amazing summertime glove. The only thing it lacks is protection. They don't feel like they're protective at all. If I go for a little slide on the hand or something like that, they're shredding. They're gone. They're also cheap, so everything goes with price. You know that. It's not like you're buying you're paying into a name brand. You're paying into technology is what you're actually doing, and more protection, and the better they are, and the longer it will last and everything else. So the price does play a really important role in it. But yeah, so I'll eventually do a review on these gloves. I like them. Like I said, they're a little chilly now, but I bought liners too. I got Climb something liners. Oh my god, Ty, you gotta stop this. I'll be searching, I'll be popping, you'll be having like pop-ups all through this whole video. Sorry guys, I don't know what else to do. So yeah, brah, I want to do reviews on this jacket along with these gloves. I just want to talk about gear in general, like especially for new people and newbies, and like, you know, the beginners or people who don't have their bike license and are really interested in getting their bike license and riding. So for you guys, gear is very, very important, and the price point of gear, the higher you go, the better it actually is. Like I ain't pushing brands on you here or anything. Like, you know, whatever brand you guys want, look into it, do some look up reviews. But a lot of the reviews you're going to see is a lot of comparison reviews, which is no good for beginners, because I mean, it'll give you a vague idea of what brands are good and stuff like that. But like, the only 2 pairs of gloves I've ever had were Icon and Revit, and the Icon one, like I said, it's an amazing feeling glove. It feels like you're not even wearing a glove. But the obvious downside of that is the protection. There is none whatsoever. Maybe like a little bit for like, but like there's like no padding, barely any padding. Helmets, I can only compare 2 styles. I had a Joe Rocket, which I believe is a Canadian company. They're a little on the cheap-ish side. I went cheap because I was just getting my license and I didn't know better. And of course, a couple months later, sure enough, I'm getting a new helmet. I got this one here. It's a Norton N88, I believe, or N880, 88. I'll put that up there too. Why not? pop-ups without the annoying whoop sound. Yeah, but those two helmets, and they are like night and day. And I got a phone call. Hello? Can you hear me? Hold on. Of course you can't. This headset. Here's another review, like a super quick review. This headset, it's a Lexan BF40 something. It sucks. Yeah, don't get this Lexan headset. It's cheap, it's on Amazon, and it's cheap for a reason, because it absolutely sucks. Worst thing ever, do not buy Lexan. Back to gear there, guys. So if you guys are beginners or whatever, if you just want your test, if you just want to do the test, and then get your own gear afterwards, maybe buy used, don't buy cheap. I'm fogging up and I can't find that damn thing. Oh my fuck, don't buy cheap. If you're gonna buy used just to get you by through the course, do it that way and then get your own gear. But other than that, you're just gonna be wasting a lot of money. But anyway, but oh, I gotta stop saying but. You gotta kind of go for not the best of the best. Like, you don't have to go for an Arai or a Shoei helmet. Those are really, really expensive. You can get by with cheaper ones, but I wouldn't go like super cheap, because they're going to be loud. They're not going to have the same technology. Same with gloves, the cheaper gloves, and gloves get pretty expensive. Like, you're talking like maybe like a couple $100 just for a pair of gloves. My strap, oh my god. The price of gloves all depend on what you want. If you want more protection, you're going to pay for it. If you want vented gloves, knuckle sliders, like the little palm slider I have right there, that will help in a slide, you're going to pay for it. But the downside of these gloves, and I'll tell you right now, this is not a review yet of these gloves, but the downside of these gloves, I find they're very stiff feeling. Like, it feels like I'm wearing like a winter glove. Like, it's really, really thick on your hands. They're nice, and they will break in after a while, and like, maybe I just got to get used to it. Like I said, I can't compare it to anything other than like the cheaper Icon gloves. That's my little video there on just some gear, like what you guys might need, what you might look for. You can learn from me, because you know, I'm learning myself, and I got 2 different helmets now. I got 2 different pairs of gloves. I got 2 different pairs of 2 different jackets. My other jacket is a Revit, and it's a mesh style, so that is only good for that's only good for the summer, like the hot days. The mesh jacket, it is no good for days like today where it's like 4 or 5 degrees. This jacket here is a Dainese. It's a textile jacket. Come on, buddy, go ahead. And it has a removable liner, which is great. I could wear it in the hot days, or in the summer, but I wouldn't wear this jacket in like the really, really hot days. I would rather a mesh jacket, because that's its main purpose, is the hot days. This can get by because I got vents. I can take out the liner, and I can undo my unzip my vents. You try to get the best of both worlds, but really you can't. If you want the gear and you want to extend your riding season, I would get the gear I would get multiple things of gear. Does that make sense? I'd get like 2 different pairs of gloves. I'd get 2 different pairs of 2 different jackets. Pants, I don't want to talk on pants there, because I just wear jeans. I never wore motorcycle pants yet. Next year I hope to get some. Motorcycle pants are very expensive, but I'm sure they are worth it. And having specific gear for a specific season might be actually better, in my opinion. This is my opinion, by the way, so don't, like, you know, don't hit that thumbs down. Not yet, anyway. Or do what you want. It's all good. Well, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. It's getting late in this year now, so the videos are going to slow down a bit. I have plenty of videos for you guys to watch and check out. You know, rewatch them if you want to. Leave a comment. I like reading your guys' comments. Have a good one, guys. Peace.